Hi, in this video I'm going to be shooting my 24-inch AR15, 300 yards. I got the Freedom Munition 69 grain hollow point. I got target set up, 8, a 6, a 4, a 3. I got the scope set, hopefully. And I'm going to start off at the 8 and try to work my way down to the 3 and see how I do with this rifle. I'm not really sure about the 3, maybe the 4 I can get, but this ain't the most accurate in my 223s. So, but let's get started and see how I do. Get on the target here. Wind's died down now. But it looks like I hit off to the right. So I'm going to just adjust. Wind's making my eyes water, which isn't fun. When they water, they get itchy. Looks like I hit to the right again. Okay, I'm gonna go one MOA left and then still shoot at the edge. Okay, I hit it right there on the right edge, so I'm gonna go 2. It might be I need to readjust or re-zero this rifle. It's been a year or so since I've done a re-zero. Okay, I'm going to go for the 6-inch. There we go. Now the 4. Okay, now the 3. Oh, I got it. Nice. Gonna go for the 3 again. Looks like I hit it near the top. That missed. And that's it, I'm empty. So that was pretty good. I did miss that last shot, but I got it, what, like 3 in a row? 3-inch, I mean, that's one MOA at 300 yards. So I didn't think this rifle would do that good, to be honest with you. It's an Anderson barrel, not a very expensive one. In 2017, when I put it together, I only bought it for like $170. And I've shot a couple thousand rounds to this rifle over the years. You've seen a lot of the videos where I do a lot of shooting with this one. But yeah, I couldn't live with that. 3 hits on an MOA target. Yeah, with a slight breeze. Not a bad breeze, but a slight breeze. All right, thanks for watching.